Hey guys, out here with the vet. Just a brief update. I haven't done anything since I put these handy little release cables on. It's been really cold here, and I've been dealing with firewood and all that kind of stuff. So, as you know, that's how we get through our winter. And anyway, I've thought a lot about this ignition control module and this code 42. I've been running it through my mind, and I really believe that because this happened after I put all this stuff back together, that I must have pulled a wire, nicked a wire, pinched a wire, did something. So my plan is to diagnose it first by going through every single wire and making sure that that's not what the problem is before I go throwing an ignition control module in there, because it doesn't have all the problems associated with a faulty ignition control module. So it runs a little rough, but really it runs pretty damn good. Anyway, the other thing that happened was when I spun the car around a couple of weeks ago to pull it in, the valve cover gasket was leaking, so I'm going to have to put those on as well before we get back on the road again. Aside from that, I've been going to auctions and was able to score this beautiful old factory clock here. I've been looking for one of those for quite a while. It's really nice, and I'm really happy to have it. And also, I scored a good collection of spud wrenches, and a lot of these are from the 50s and 60s. They're really cool. I went ahead and cleaned them all up and oiled them and stuff, and I really like them. Very heavy duty tools. Good for the guys back in the day. You know, they still use them now too, but building bridges and high rises and stuff, who knows what this stuff was used on. So that kind of thing really interests me. I also was able to get a couple of super test cans. That one's got a little, actually it's sucked in there. I don't know why, but anyway, my grandmother and my uncles had super test stations starting way back in the early 1900s, and they were with the brand for many years. And not a lot of my American friends will recognize that brand, but I was really happy to get these cans, full cans of oil. These cans are probably from the 60s with that color on them, that black. And so that's about it. That's all I've been doing. I got to go back and look at my video that I made so I can remember what the hell I decided I was going to do and get to it, because before you know it, it's going to be time to get back on the road again. And you guys, you know, I do this, and I'm going to leave my hood up. That's what I do. I've seen some videos of guys worrying about this prop here, and I don't believe that bloody thing is strong enough to just put your hood up and leave it up indefinitely. So I put a chunk of 2x4 on there, and I feel a lot better about it. Just trying to get through another cold winter. So anyway, I hope to have more in the car in the coming weeks. Things are going to warm up a little bit. I can get a fire going and work out here with a little bit of comfort, and then we'll all look forward to getting these things back out on the road again. So it'll be here before you know it. We'll talk to you later.